All right. The name of the next rap album is called People's Champ. Oh, yeah. Okay, there's going to be no snippet to what I'm telling you about, but I promise you, Stoner, this has got to be one of this has got to be one of the top 3 rap songs I've ever recorded.
Easily.
Bro. Dude, I wouldn't be surprised if, like, some extra big mother hear this. We're currently stranded, walking around in the Everglades with 100% pineapple juice. No, I'm just kidding. No, we're not. We lost. We don't know where we're at. We just walking around this random hood in Florida. Rabbit. Travis. If we keep letting shit go the way that it's going, it's not going to be that. Slowly but surely. I'm not talking tomorrow. I'm not talking next month. I'm talking in the next 10 years. Right now, look at that. Look, there's people literally hanging on to military airplanes to try to hold on until it flies all the way here, dude. That's what people think about our country. That's the extent they're willing to go to get over here. So what I say is, everybody, black, white, whatever, it doesn't matter. Put all that shit aside. As Americans, we need to realize that this is the best country, and we need to realize what makes it. And for that to happen, we have to have a leader that knows what's going on, that actually pays attention. Remember that. And another thing, with all this shit going on right now, I think some of y'all need to realize that this is the best country in the entire world. You can say what you want. I know it's in a bad spot right now, but it's still the best country in the world to live in, dude. That's why they always say good guys finish last. Look at the way the election went. They don't want you to listen to that dude. They don't want you to listen to him because they tried to destroy him every single day he was president. Even after he was done being president, they tried to destroy every single day. And now you don't see nothing about what he's saying. But this man around doing rallies, but you don't hear about it. If a bad guy don't want you to know about a good guy, he's not going to even mention the good guy. He's going to try to hide the good guy. One last thing. I know there's some people out there that don't trust politics at all whatsoever. Anyway, enjoy y'all's weekend. I ain't trying to ruin it with politics. That's all I'm going to say. I love you guys. Have a good rest of y'all's weekend. Okay, I'm not mad, but like, everyone who hits me up Monday through Thursday all day asking me to do other I have a job, dude. I don't, there's no money tree, just like, here's money from the tree. I don't know where the misconception is, but yeah, I have to do stuff for money to live. And I have like a gajillion workers, so that's why I'm always working. I tell people to keep their money. Don't donate to my... I actually have the donation thing turned off. Because I don't want free money. I want to work for myself. So, yeah, I have a job. So, Monday through Thursday, I'm probably not going to talk to you. I'm just trying to keep it in check. Because I just got out of living, like, with people asking me to do shit every day because they think I just ain't got shit to do. And I'm not about to go back to it. Hey, all my construction skins out there, is there anybody out there that can fast track me some custom windows? If you can, DM me. If you don't know what that means, then just let the other guys do it. So I see a lot of people asking me in my DMs if I dislike Morgan Wallen. No, dude. No, it's like country boy law. Fucking, I'm supposed to have his back. He's a Tennessean. Tennesseans stick together. This is how you know you're riding with me. I'm clicking the button at Sonic with the tag that's supposed to be on this truck, but it's been sitting in here so long, I just ain't put it on. Now I want some cheese sticks.